Before we start this video, let me just give a quick shout out and welcome back one of my favorite Filipino young YouTubers, Paulo Tomenes. He's back on YouTube. He got hacked. His account is finally back. So if you guys have been a fan of Pau and you stopped watching because his account disappeared, it's now back. Check him out. Paulo Tomenes, link to his channel down below. World Balance, specifically the World Balance Invictus. It is one of the most hyped local branded Filipino sneakers that we have today. And they just recently, released the City Pack, which I did an unboxing and review of. For today, I'm going to share with you the rest of the City Pack, which is for the ladies. And apart from that, we're going to unbox a new Invictus, well, a new one for me, that I ended up buying recently. With that said, let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do a bunch of giveaways here, including this one. In fact, make sure that you watch until the very end if you joined the giveaway for the Supreme Body Bag, because we're actually announcing and drawing the winner in today's episode. Other ongoing giveaways include a Nike Infinity React in your size, as well as a couple of true wireless earphones and a power bank. The links to all of the giveaways with the mechanics, description box. Good luck. Now, before we unbox the Invictus for the ladies, can I just say that these two sneakers have been dominating my Facebook feed for the last few days. Of course, I am talking about the Invictus Tokyo, as well as the Invictus, it's called the Havana. It's called, yes, the Havana. So both of these sneakers come from the World Balance Invictus City Pack. And yeah, they've been all over my feed. And I'm not surprised because, again, the quality, the cushioning, the comfort for both sneakers are just, you know, crazy good. So amazing value for money. 2 thumbs up. Congratulations to World Balance for the successful launch of their Invictus City Pack. I did get a couple of comments though. Are there sneakers from World Balance, specifically the Invictus, for the ladies? And that's the reason why I ended up picking these 3 sneakers from the World Balance shop to be able to show you guys today. This is still part of the World Balance City Pack, but this is for the ladies. So here are the names of the shoes. We have Miami, we have Sydney, Australia, and of course we have, one of my favorite cities in the world, Madrid from Spain. So 3 sneakers, size 5.5 for the misses. Well, it's actually size 6. So let's get to the unboxing. I'll start things off with one of my favorite cities in the world, which is Madrid. And yeah, it says over here, World Balance in pink, and it says along the side, street casual. So you see the sizing over here, Euro 36, US 6, Kaia, Madrid. So if you pop the box open, this, bam! If they made a version of this for men, I would totally buy it. I love the black, red, and white, and that almost pop of orange with the suede that you see. This is really nice. So again, I think it's Invictus for men, but specifically for women, they're calling it the Kaia. So again, this is the World Balance Kaia Madrid. And if you are a lady, you are looking for affordable, beater, chunky sneakers, and you don't want to spend too much, but you still want to look good, and at the same time you are in trend, check it out, guys. World Balance Kaia sells for a little over 2,100, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, around that price range. Let's get to the second shoe, which is the Kaia Sydney from Australia. So let's pop the box open. Oh, this one's super cool. A little bit more hipster on the pastel vibes. You have that almost, I don't know, like light blue or pastel blue color, almost green, mint green for the inner part. And then you have hits of pink or more salmon along the sides, as well as the laces. Looking really fly, this one. So again, you have the same mixture of materials from suede, mesh, and leather in different parts of the sneaker. So this one is a bit more on the lighter side of the colors. Again, this is the Sydney. Now, obviously, I won't be able to do on-feet shots of these sneakers because, well, they won't fit me. But anyway, we have one more sneaker. This is the Kaia Miami. So let's pop the box open. Bam! So this one uses yellow, black, some sort of teal, and a nice pop of purple here at the back, and some sort of like lavender which cuts across the tongue tab. This one also looking pretty good. Again, guys, these are the 3. We have Madrid, Sydney, and Miami. which of the three do you guys want to see on your feet if you're a lady, or which one would you see your lady wearing? Let me know in the comment section down below. But hey, before we end the vlog, we have to unbox a sneaker for myself. And probably a lot of you got to know the Invictus from World Balance the first time with the City Pack, which I showed you earlier. However, there were two previous generations or waves of the Invictus that happened. We saw the Star Wars collaboration where we had the Stormtrooper, Darth Vader, we had Rey for the ladies. It was a really great pack, even an R2-D2 Imperial or Invictus. But preceding that was the OG selection of Invictus. And what happened was I got the first color, which is very similar to the Havana, which just came out, or London, which came out. But it didn't fit well because I went true to size and it was just too short for me. And I've always wanted to pick one up in size 13, which is exactly what I was able to do. There is an awesome World Balance shop over at Greenhills near where I live in Shopsville. I walked in, I saw the color and I asked them, do you still have this in size 13? And they said they just had one last pair in my size. So I ended up buying it. This is the OG World Balance Invictus. And I am so happy to finally have it in my collection in my size. So if we pop the box open, I'm super excited to show this to you guys. Man, this brings back memories to the first time I unboxed this. So the official color is beige and blue, and it is in size 13. Take a look at that. I called this the Filipino Yeezy when I first did the review. Hit almost 60,000 views, and it's still going till today. And I'm really happy to finally have it back in my sneaker rotation. So this is the OG one. I'll show you the Havana. I keep calling it Havana. Let's show you the London so you can compare and see the differences between the two shoes. So this is the OG. This is the London. So the difference is striking. This one a little bit more on the lighter, louder side. This one more cooler with lighter shades of orange, red, and blue. While this one has hotter hues of red and orange. And the contrast between the white is just much more pronounced with this one. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. My newest sneaker pickup. It's not expensive, it's not super hype, but I'm happy to wear it. Yeah, World Balance Invictus OG. And before we wrap up the vlog, I just want to announce that we will be accepting pre-orders very soon for the Project 721 Hustle side bag. So this is a side bag that I worked with VAULV on to develop for you guys. So the outer part is made out of nice satin. The inner part is padded so that it's able to support and protect the gadgets that you put inside. And it has a ton of compartments. I also made it a point to make the inner part orange so that it has that nice pop of color when you open it, and it contrasts with the stuff that you put inside. So this is the VAULV Project 721 side hustle bag, or hustle side bag. Side hustle bag, that's what we'll call it. And one of the things that I love most about this bag is that if you check the strap, it says over here our mantra, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. build your career, 7 p.m. 1 a.m. build your dreams. That's why it's called 721. We're also thinking of selling this. This is the VAULV Project 721, what do you call this, like gadget organizer. So it has 3 folds. You can put your cables, you can put your, I don't know, your power banks and whatever it is, gadgets that you put in here. And it has this nice strap to be able to keep things together. So it actually goes well with the bag. So the shoe fell. Do you want us to put this on pre-order as well? Let me know in the comment section down below. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.